Welcome to UNSW Sydney. We're so excited that you are joining our community. As one of the top 50 universities globally, UNSW is a great choice, and I'm certain that you will enjoy your time here. Today, I will be taking you on a tour so you can familiarize yourself with UNSW student life, Sydney and the community, as well as emergency and support services available to you throughout your time here in Australia. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go! There is so much for you to get involved with at UNSW, so immerse yourself in our student life to make the most of your experience. We have a fun and vibrant campus life with a bunch of free events and social activities for students to meet others. We have lots of sports, volunteering, creative and social activities, as well as free food and workshops. We're sure there'll be something that suits your interests.
My name is Andrea, and I'm currently a Masters of Commerce student studying Business Analytics.
Hello, my name is Jody and I'm doing mechanical engineering at UNSW.
Hi, my name is Severe and I'm in my second year studying social work.
Hi, my name is Oliver and I'm a third year student studying chemical engineering at UNSW.
G'day, my name's Finn. I study marine and coastal science and renewable energy engineering at UNSW.
I got involved with the UNSW Women in Engineering Society, where I can meet different people from different backgrounds who are also very passionate about gender diversity in engineering.
I've been involved with the Wind Symphony and Orchestra, two of UNSW's large instrumental music ensembles. Through these ensembles, I've been able to make a bunch of friends, join a community, and continue my passions and hobbies outside of university.
I got involved in student life by playing volleyball competitively and socially at the UNSW Volleyball Club, and now I'm actually running the club as the president.
I got involved in student life at UNSW by joining the Postgraduate Council as well as taking part in various case competitions.
When I first joined uni, I joined the Wellness Warriors program, and I felt that it was a great way to meet a lot of different people from different faculties, which I feel is a little bit difficult to do without engaging in student life.
In addition to being passionate about our student life, UNSW is also committed to equity, diversity, and inclusion. We want to create an inclusive environment for all students and enrich their experiences by celebrating what makes us all different. At UNSW, we are also eager to be more sustainable in everything we do. We try our best to care for the environment through sustainability projects like plastic-free dining. UNSW's main campus is located on ancient Bedigal land on Sydney's eastern beaches. The Kensington and Paddington campuses are centrally located in Sydney's eastern suburbs, meaning you are just around the corner from parklands, shopping precincts, and some of Australia's most beautiful beaches. Indeed, one of Australia's iconic beaches, the Bondi Beach, is just a 15-minute drive away from the Kensington campus. This makes it the perfect spot for you to go to for a swim or catch the gorgeous sunsets after classes. Nearby is also Bondi Junction Westfield, which is a great shopping precinct that'll meet all your needs. We have easy access to groceries from the Kensington campus, with grocery giant Coles in our neighbouring suburb Randwick just a 9-minute walk away. But if you'd prefer something closer, UNSW IGA is open till 10 p.m. every day. Perfect for a late-night snack. UNSW Kensington is just a short light rail trip away from the bustling and safe nightlife of Sydney, placing us right next to the city and some of the best restaurants and bars here. Students in Australia benefit from a full complement of emergency and help services. Pay attention, because these services may appear differently to where you grew up.
Hi, I'm Ben, and on behalf of Coogee Surf Life Saving Club, welcome to Australia. The beach is one of our greatest assets, and it's a fun place to hang out and exercise. But the surf can be dangerous, so make sure when you're down here, you swim between the red and yellow flags.
Hi, I'm Brooke, And on behalf of the Ambulance Service of New South Wales, welcome to Australia. If you're in a health emergency, call 000 and we'll come to you as quick as we can.
Hi, my name is Matt,
Hi, my name's Tian.
and on behalf of Randwick Police, welcome to Australia.
Police are approachable and here to serve the community.
So if you have any trouble with fraud or your safety, come visit our station.
Hello, my name is Melinda McDonald, and on behalf of Fire and Rescue New South Wales, welcome to Australia. New South Wales firefighters are here to keep you safe in an emergency at no cost to you. One of the ways you can help us to keep you safe is by having a working smoke alarm in your home. If you ever have a fire, don't wait. Get out, stay out, and call 000 for help. The sooner we can be there, the better the outcome will be.
To contact Australia's emergency services, dial 000 in an emergency. And remember to look for the red and yellow flags when you're at the beach.
So there you have it. There are so many things for you to do and see during your time in UNSW. From getting involved in student life to taking in all the sights, there's no shortage of ways to make the most of your adventure. So, as you embark on this new chapter, just remember, it's okay to not feel okay. If things start to feel a little too overwhelming or out of control, make an appointment with UNSW student support advisors, who will be able to provide you with free and confidential support throughout your studies. But for now, that's all from us. Once again, a very warm welcome to UNSW, and I'll see you around campus soon.